guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I thought I would do something. I always start my videos like this. So today I thought I would do something a little bit different. So today I really thought I would do something a little bit different and do a hair tutorial. I have my powder with me today because I'm not gonna take an L. And I might do a voiceover for this video again, but I just wanted to introduce the hair. Well, I have featured this hair on my channel before, actually in my previous video, but I decided that I wanted to have some color added to the hair, so I went and had highlights put in, which I am thoroughly obsessed with. I feel like I look so American. I don't even know who this is. I was afraid that the highlights would age me, but I really love it. So what I thought I would do is do like a beach wavy tutorial with some hair. This is very much summer hair in my opinion. So while it's still summer, I thought it would be great to do a tutorial like that. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay, so like I said, my hair today is from Deepest Wigs. It's 100% Brazilian virgin hair. It's 22 inches. It came in the darkest brown, but I have had highlights added to it. So I'm grabbing my Glam Palm Magic Wand, which is my favorite tool to curl hair with. And I'm also using my heat protectant glove that came with it. I'm reaching for my John Frieda Frizz-Ease Extra Strength Serum and maybe my Balmain texturizing salt spray. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and section my hair into two. And then I'm gonna section that hair into littler sections, to go ahead and curl the hair, getting my glove on. So I have the wand facing downwards and I just begin by rotating the hair around the wand. This section I'm going backwards, but I alternate between wrapping the hair forwards and backwards so that the look turns out to be more disheveled and not so put together. I've realized that if you have your hair sort of going in one direction, it creates a more uniform look, alluding to the whole Hollywood wave sort of glam look, which is beautiful, but that's not the look we're going for today. So I really have to commend hairstylists because I posted to Instagram about whether or not I wanted to upload this video because it looks like I know what I'm doing, but guys, I have no idea what I'm doing. And you know, I wasn't too happy with the way the hair turned out. I want you guys to be a little bit kind to me in the comments if you do comment. I'm not a hairstylist. I don't know what's supposed to happen, but it didn't look the way I've seen other people look, honestly speaking. Maybe I'm being hard on myself, but I don't know. I also had a fan blowing at me the whole time, so maybe that didn't help with me, you know, controlling the hair and just making sure it looked okay. I don't know, but I don't want to scapegoat you know, different situations and not act like I'm the problem when I'm like 85% the problem. But also, you know, the hair is processed to be bone straight, and having bone straight hair, try to comply with what you wanted to do when you're adding waves and stuff can be a little bit tricky. But other than that, I really enjoy this hair. When I first got it, I was a bit worried about the texture because I'd never felt texture like this before. It's not your typical silky smooth hair. It's quite texturized, and which is what I really love. And yeah, I was hoping because of that it would hold the curl really nicely, but I think we struggled in that department. When my hairstylist was styling the hair, I asked her what her experience was like with the wig, how she felt it was, and she was like, it's really good hair, that it's really good hair and it really behaved itself when it was taking the color, and it took the color very quickly. That's what she said as well. So yeah, I don't think it's bad hair at all. I do think I do prefer it straight, just because I don't know what I'm doing until I find someone who knows how to do these waves so that can do it for me one day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you on Thursday.